thinking anything. Hurt my eyes. I still have a headache. Court calls the case, People versus Brandon Myers.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. I left my pen. Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr.
Nope.
Myers, who is appearing by Zoom. Your Honor, I did attempt to speak to Mr. Myers. But I had not had the opportunity. Can I just get a
The
one?
last time I gave her a pen when she forgot.
I still have
I
it.
never got it back.
It's been misappropriated.
What?
So, Your Honor, I did attempt to meet with him 2 days in a row, but unfortunately, I was not able to do so. I tried to come in early to see him today, and again, I was not able to do so because they didn't bring him up. Can I have a 1 week adjournment so I can meet with him?
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue on both cases.
That's because it's on you, so. Then why are they saying all that?
Okay, we put your case over a week, sir. And your attorney's gonna come down and see you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the People versus Tiger Moore.
Ready. Assistant Prosecutor Attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Fifelski on behalf of Tiger Moore. Can you state your name, please?
Tiger Lee.
Your Honor, all discovery is in. We are asking the court to set this for preliminary examination.
People have their witnesses available to 16.
We should.
Preliminary examination in person will be set December 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Plug Defender Don Liba for Mr. Davis, who stands to my right. Mr. Davis, can you state your name, sir?
Joe Davis. Skipping one more. Is it on? It's got to be on. All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, I'd like to request this matter be set for preliminary examination, please.
Is discovery complete?
It is to my knowledge, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 16th.
We will try for that date, Your Honor.
All right. Preliminary examination in person, December 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Freshour.
December 16th, Judge Freshour. Thank you,
Yes.
Your
Thank you, Your Honor.
On continue.
Honor. I should call this for the people.
And James Fifelski on behalf of Mr. Canaguglia.
Morning, Your Honor.
State your name.
George Bonovia.
Thank you.
Your Honor, all discovery is in, and we are also asking for a preliminary examination on this case.
Exactly. Preliminary examination will be set December. Would the people have their witnesses available the 16th? I
We'll
should.
try for that date.
All right. December 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Moore. Here. Bond continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You do the same. Court calls case of the People versus Jason Ellis. I'm sorry.
They are not.
They're not there. Oh, there.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Ellis, who's approaching now. Mr. Ellis, will you state your name for the record?
Jason Ellis.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, asking that this matter be set for preliminary examination.
Discovery is complete.
To our knowledge, yes. Your complaint and the police report. Yeah.
People have their witnesses available to 6. Preliminary examination in person will be set December 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Tiffany Peters. Jason, oh, there he is. Go ahead. Oh, you're muted. There.
Sorry, Judge. Good morning, Judge. I'm Special Assistant Attorney General Mitchell Ward for the People.
All right.
And good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Kiriakin-Rulli on behalf of Ms. Tiffany Peters, who is approaching, Your Honor.
Your name, ma'am?
Peters.
All right.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment in this matter. I have had an opportunity to speak with the AAG and he has extended an offer. We just need to start working towards payments to get the offer. We also wanted to, I think I would need to talk with with Ann about transferring the bond that she posted, because right now he states that friend of the court has not received the bond. I think it was in the amount of $2,100. Is that right, Mr.
I
Mitchell?
believe it was,
2170, 2173.30,
Mhm.
and it's just not been transferred.
That's what he said. It's not yet with friend of the court. It's still here.
All right, so I'm not gonna get involved with bonds, quite frankly, because everybody's got it messed up.
Okay.
But these types of bonds should be transferred over to the other court because it's statutory.
Okay,
So, and if you could send a communicate, we'll send a communication.
I appreciate that.
Should it, the order reads that it's to be released on the circuit court case.
Okay,
So it should be in there.
okay. All right, thank you, Your Honor. And we're just requesting an adjournment. I don't know if we're out into January yet. No, is that too far out?
I have not set a January date today. Well, how much time did you?
January.
I'm gonna give her everything she
Good
wants. 'Cause I
morning.
can't have that sneeze again. How much time did you need then that the people would be willing to agree to?
We need about a month.
A month?
Yes.
Do the people have any objection to a month adjournment?
Judge, Miss Akiri Ikanruru and I have been,
Yeah.
sorry, Chinaza and I have been corresponding by email, and I told her that if she agreed, if Ms. Peters agreed to pay the bond over, and I wanted her to pay an amount that would get the matter down to 75%, 25% of the bond, which would be an additional $1,300. The last
Okay.
correspondence, I was just emailing with her. I was going to tell her, she said, Ms. Peters doesn't have that much right now. So what I'm asking for is a payment for November. She got out in mid-November, did not pay her child support. She's never made a child support payment. So she would need to pay for November. Her current obligation is $282 a month. If she does that, we have no problem with, if she agrees to do that, we have no problem with an adjournment. And Ms. Chinaza also asked me whether I would agree to allow her to return to West Virginia, where she's from. And I again was just in the process telling her, if she agrees again to pay the bond over and pays for November and agrees to pay in December as ordered, start paying as ordered going forward, then we have no problem with her returning to West Virginia as well. So I don't have a problem with an adjournment into early January, Judge, as long as she agrees to those things.
Is she going to agree to all of those things?
Yeah.
So when is the November payment? Because that's part of our problem.
It was due. So can you make that today? She can make the November payment today, Your Honor.
Today?
Yes.
Okay, I'm indicating in the file that defendant will pay November payment today, and that if we don't get that November payment, you cannot go to West Virginia.
Okay.
You
If
can't
she
leave.
makes the payment today, she will be able to go to West Virginia, Your Honor?
Right, and agrees to the rest of what's being said. I'm not, what counsel's or the AG's indicated, he's not gonna have an objection to her going to West Virginia.
Okay,
But the bond, paying over the bond is not
on her.
an issue for the defendant.
Yeah.
It's trying to get it from the 15th District Court to the Circuit Court. So that one, I get, the money's there, presumably.
Yeah.
It's a November payment. And when is the December payment due?
She just indicated to me that she will try and make the December payment today. She just needs to check her account.
So
but
she's gonna make December and November.
that is
All right, so what I will do is I'm gonna indicate she's to pay November and December. Once she makes those payments, she can return to
perfect.
West Virginia.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Why anybody would want to, that's their business, but no, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Lovely place.
What'd you say?
Love my home.
I love the song Mountain Mama. All right, so. All right, and her. It was cut November 20th.
Mhm.
So from 15
Correct. 2 circuits.
to circuit. So on November 20th, the check was cut. So apparently it takes a while for it to travel a couple blocks. But presumably it's on its way. The circuit court may already be there. So
So
her
it's
bond
getting
will
paid into
continue
the
in this
child support
case.
case? I'm sorry,
Pardon?
Judge. It's getting paid into the child support case. It's not going to. the
Yes,
circuit
it
court
was cut and
conduit.
should be transferred over to circuit court 2 blocks down, but
I can just
Problem.
see it's cut.
It's kind of-
oh, you can see it's cut, but we don't know where. Got it. Okay.
That's not
And
unusual,
then
Judge.
I will adjourn the probable cause conference to January 8th, 2025, 9 a.m., 2026.
That was the
All right.
8th, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Judge. I have
Thank
one more
you.
matter before you when council is ready to proceed.
Yeah, well, you're probably, your name, sir?
Devon Gilliard.
All right. And what are we doing?
Your Honor, today's the date time set for PCC. I'm asking this matter be set for an exam as quickly as the court will allow.
Say again?
Sorry, Your Honor. I was just asking for an exam day as quickly as the court would permit.
Is all discovery complete?
I believe I have everything. Yes, Your Honor. I as long as the prosecutor has everything as well.
Prosecutor's witness is available the 16th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person will be set December 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Moore.
Your Honor, if I may briefly address bond in this matter.
You may.
Your Honor, as you know about this case, we have addressed bond a couple of times. My client is being held without bond. First and foremost, the tether was taken off him. What I'm asking for is that this court, as this was his first bond violation, I understand the court's worry about my client returning. As an alternative, my client does have a residence in Texas and was planning to live in Georgia. My client is willing to stay in Michigan with a tether if this court permits. So what I'm asking for today is that my client be allowed to be released either with a cash bond or in a personal bond with a tether and be able to stay in Michigan, and we can continue the case and I can work with my client outside of jail, Your Honor.
I don't need it. Is there something you wanted to say? I don't need a response. I've gone through this again. I gave this defendant permission to go to Texas. Prosecutor agreed for him to go to Texas. Had him on a tether. He never went to Texas. He went to Georgia. He made no indication whatsoever or to the court afterwards where a decision had changed or anything along those lines. He just didn't go where he told us to go. So I gave him permission to leave the state, and he didn't go to the state that he said he was going to and never touched Texas. It's not like he went to Texas and went to Georgia. I've said this before. And I'll just be honest with you, counsel, I can't trust it. And so I'm not going to fashion any other types of conditions to try to release him. He's already, I guess, shown this court that he just can't be trusted and can't tell me the truth. So
even with a cash
your
bond,
motion
Your Honor.
for a bond modification is denied again. Bond will continue, and you can raise it before Judge Moore.
No, and thank you, Your Honor. I would just like to say thank you for hearing me out. I appreciate you, and I will. I'll see you next time.
Pardon? I didn't hear that part, sir.
Oh, I just thanked you for hearing me out, and I appreciate that, and I will see you next time.
All right, thank you. See you. There you go. Sir, can you state your name?
Harry Malone.
All right. You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's a video you're still trying to get.
Yes, Your Honor. We're looking towards a possible resolution.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned December 23rd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Bryant Neal.
Ready, Judge.
Senator Water, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney People.
All right. Go ahead, counsel.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your fine staff. May it please this most honorable court, Edward Martell, P 85051, on behalf of Bryant Neal. Mr. Neal, please state your full name for the record.
Brian Michael Neal.
All right. Thank you. What are we doing?
Judge, discovery is complete. We're just asking for an examination day, please and thank you.
People have their witnesses available the 16th.
Judge, you got it.
Is this a co-defendant case?
It is, Your Honor, with Mr. Gamble's, and that matter was adjourned. I believe to the 23rd, if I got just a moment to confirm that. We got for 12/23, that's the date that his co-defendant got for an adjourned preliminary examination.
An adjourned preliminary examination.
Testimony was not begun, though, I don't believe.
All right. And so who's that before?
Judge Freshour.
It's before Judge Freshour? Okay. Okay, good. I mean, I didn't mean it that way, but all right. Preliminary examination will be set then for December 23rd, 2025. That's at 9. That's 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour, along with the co-defendant in the case. That will be in person. Bond will continue.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge.